We're going to look at how to create a basketball real quick using texture maps like this. So we'll go to add UV sphere, move it, object shade smooth, and we'll create a new material. Go to image texture, open, and what you need to do is you need to find an image texture which looks like this. So you have to search for an image texture on the internet. So I found this one when I searched for basketball texture map. So it doesn't have these things, but we'll create that in Blender. Okay. So we get the basketball. Now we need to add the textures. So we'll go to shading and we'll have our texture attached to principal BSDF. So we'll add a bump node. We'll connect it to normal. Now we will add a vernoi texture. Voronoi, not vernoi. And now we need to mix this one and this one together. So I will add mix. Okay, the result will go into the height. Vernoi will go to B, and this is what you get. And this one will go into the factor. And because of that, the black areas don't get the Voronoi texture. Okay, from F1 we'll use smooth F1, and the scale will increase it to 50. Okay, and you can play with the other factors, but if we reduce the strength, we get a basketball which has depth and texture in 5 minutes or less. That's about it. Thank you very much.